Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing how to use this single optimizer tool. So in this video I'll be taking this modulus. It's like a lightweight modulus. So I took this. So I installed it in E drive, and as you can see in E drive I have like 138 GB free space. So now let's start the process. And just now I installed it. So let's first open the app and okay. So once you download it, you double tap it and you can open it. So I have given like three tabs. This is the one-click optimizer. Basically, you use this on a single mod list. And for multi-list operation, this is basically like say you have like two or three more mod lists and you want to like save space. You can use this. It will only like you will give the mods path folder like this. So this is the mods path for this mod list. So you just copy it and paste it, and you can paste another different mod list here. And this is games path. This is basically that game root folder that you usually get from Wabo checklist. You just place it here, and you will place your like this. Here's an example placeholder, and then you will just you need to add one more reference. You will write your own Steam stock Skyrim AC folder on this path like this. So now coming back to one-click optimizer. Again, there are two tabs. This is the basically the optimizing part, and this is to revert. Like you can go back to your original state. So I'll start from here. So first it's asking for MO2 profile path. So you need to go to this profiles and whatever profile you primarily use, select that. So guys, before I continue, I want to explain a sort of limitation if you mean. So say if you have like a mod list that has multiple profiles and you keep switching between them, there is one issue. I'll just show it with an example. So consider now I'm in this ENB, okay? So let's take this mod. This is Cobb Incubrance preset, okay? So what this is doing is this is replacing few files from the above two mods. So when you run the tool, what happens is it will remove these two overwritten files, okay? And say you switch back to like community shaders, but in there, this Incubrance preset might be in a different load order. Like say it's in the above. So what happens is when you run the my tool with this ENB profile, what happens is these two over that files are removed. So what happens is now you lose that file. So that's the only limitation. But if it isn't an issue for you, like the main assets are in the top, but you just modify like small mods, then it shouldn't be an issue. Because in later stage we'll be adding. You also have an option to add nodes. I'll explain that too. We have a settings called tagging option. Basically, it will add this tag if the mod is cleaned or hash or linked. Using that, you can get to know which mod was affected. You can just right click and do reinstall or something. Okay, so this is one kind of short limitation, but from what I think, most people who use this tool wouldn't be like an modder, would be mostly an advanced modder or just a regular user who has limited storage. So I'm guessing you will only be using one profile. So that's it, guys. So I'll continue now. Let this be minimized. Okay. So coming back to here, I'll choose the ENB. I'll copy the path. Okay. So once you copy the profile, the rest of this is automatically filled. But I would suggest you to check if the path is correct. So here the mods is correct. So this is the mods folder where everything is extracted. Stock folder, this mod list doesn't have it, so you can remove it or you can even keep it. If the folder isn't there, it will just keep it. For the sake of the video, I'll just keep it as default. And this is your clean game. This is like the basic Steam original game, which would be installed in your drive, like Steam library, common. This one. This is also autofilled. So this part is done, and this is exclusion. Here you can add that mod name. Say this, for example, this is the tool we don't want to remove. Like it shouldn't check for any cleans or hot links. You just add it here, and it will skip it. Okay. So again, this is in case of multiple profile. Or if you say if you will keep modding it and you don't want it to be cleaned, you can add it. It's your choice. I gave both tag based and normal file list itself. For most users, file list is the best. Tag, I think it's kind of an advanced feature for certain users, but mostly this is enough. This list is enough. And if say you use only list, what happens is say if you like only add these two, say these two, then it won't check any of this mods. It will only check these two. Whatever you mentioned here, only this will be checked for overrides or odd linking. Okay. So say you have like 10 or 20 heavy mods, and you only want to check conflicts or overrides, you can use this feature. Okay. So for now, I'll just keep it. I'll just set it to default. And this is MO2 tagging. I'll keep it on so we can see which mods are cleaned or hot linked or both for easy identification. Okay, so enough. So I explained it a lot. So that's it. So let me start it. So it is going on. And at each step, it will ask if you want to proceed or not. Let me just show you. So this ran step 2. Step 1 was basically that game root hot link. Since this Modlist doesn't have game root, it kind of skipped it. So this is step 2, which is mods hot link. It will like check all the files inside this and it will hot link same files using hash. So it says it will reclaim about 2.5 GB. Oh, and one more thing, guys, I forgot. So you can see the size difference. Only the easiest way is to use your Windows File Explorer. So as you can see, this is my E drive. All these are happening in E drive, and I currently have 138 GB free. Okay. So it says it will hard link 2.57 GB. Okay. So let me just click it, and you can see the value getting changed. Okay. Show that is done. Let me refresh. So that 138 GB has turned to 140. So basically, the 2.5 GB got cleared, hard linked. So this is next is conflict that overwritten files. These are the overwritten files. It is asking, it is saying it's 1.4 GB. And guys, if you think that the size is too low, you can just skip it. Okay, you can skip it. It's not needed. I'll just proceed for now. So that's it. This is the summary. So these are the steps. In step 1, game root. Since we didn't have it, it's 0 bytes. Mods hot linking, that hot linking port that was 2.5 GB. And also there is a third step which basically like removes .mo hidden. It's like an unused file in MO2. And fourth link is conflict cleaner. So in total we saved like 4 GB, but as you can see it's like only it's the same, right? I'll show it. And also you have a detailed report, this ESV file. Now I'll just open this path. So what it is saying is it's in the same path. Where is it? It will be in this Modlist Skyrim MO2 toolkit output. So this is the outputs. Let me just show you the space. So it's like 1.4 GB. If you want, you can delete the overwritten file. Okay. And this is the CSV. Okay, so this is the cleaned part, that 1.42 GB. If you want, you can delete it, but I suggest you to play for at least 1 or 2 hours. If nothing is like glitchy or missing textures, then you can either delete it or you can zip and store it in somewhere like hard disk or something. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is done. And say you want to like revert all the changes. Wait, but before that, let me just show you the tagging system. I'll just refresh it. So as you can see, since we have in MO2 tagging option, we selected these. It kind of added this in the notes. So you can see in this specific mod, it cleaned it. So basically, some of the files are removed since it got overwritten by higher priority mods. And in this case, there seems to have some hard linking. Hard linking has been done. Mm, In this case, hard linking and cleaning is done. So these are this is how the this is how you can see it visually if you use this option. If you don't want it, you can uncheck that. Okay. So guys, if you want to say you want to undo all the changes we did till now, you need to have this output folder. Okay, whatever this run optimization produced, you shouldn't have deleted it. You should have had this as a backup from any drive or some places. Okay, so once you have this file, you just need to give this path here. In this case, it's in the same folder as the mod list, so I'll just keep it as default. And you need to select the target folder, which is the mods folder. Okay, so all the changes we did it in the mods folder. Okay, so what you do is you click restore cleaned and hidden files. So what this does is, let me just open. It will just let me just open you. So these are the overwritten files. All the like the path is maintained, so it's easier. Okay. Same is meta. I also took backup of meta because like since we are modifying the metadata, right? We are adding this color, and since we like take a backup, it will just replace it. Okay. Even if you don't have this, it's not an issue, but there will be some like byte size difference between original and this cleared meta, So that's the only thing. It's not an issue. If you want like byte size exact match, then you need to have all of this. Okay. So let me just click restore. So it's done everything. And one more thing, guys. It's best you restore it using this tool. Otherwise, you can just like open that folder, like Control E, cut and paste here. You can also do that. But Windows File Explorer is kind of slow when it comes to a large number of files. Okay, so basically in Skyrim there's like thousands of modded files. So when you move it, that Explorer is very slow, and this tool is kind of fast. Okay, so that part is done. Now let's unlink all the hard links, and you can see it here. Like right now it's 140 because of hard link. Okay, and it will show this morning if you have available storage. So what it is saying is maximum it will take 4.8 GB, but actually in most of the cases it's just a half. And for the reasons you can read here, I'll also give it in description. But basically most of the times it's half the size of what's mentioned. So it's saying like 2.4 GB would be written. Okay, let's proceed. It will take some time. Please be patient. Okay, it's done. Now let me refresh it. So again it went back to 138. Okay. Okay, so let me just again go back and let me refresh. Now, as you can see, everything is back to original state. And in case you missed that meta files, okay, that folder, files folder, you can fix that notes coloring with this button, okay, in case if you don't have it. So that's it, guys. Single mod list, this is done. So this is like a very small mod list. Like this is like what 32 GB, and we were able to salvage like 4 GB, okay, 4 GB of data. But if when you consider like in large mod list, you can save anywhere from 50 to 100 GB or even more. Okay, it all based on the mod list and what kind of assets it's using. Like if it's using the same file. Okay. So and one more thing is this is like mod list optimization. Say you have like you like to have more mod lists. Like say you have 2 or 3 or even more than 5 or something. All you have to do is paste the mods folder. Okay. Example mods folder and second or third whatever your mods another folder. Okay, so what this does is it will look all the files inside inside both modlist mods folder, and it will do the hard linking, but only for .dds and .nif. These seem to have the most like allocated space. Like you can see in .dds it's using like 20.6 GB and nif 2.1 GB. This is relatively a small mod list, but in bigger mod list this can be bigger. It's bigger. I avoided other extensions because they were causing some issues, and just to be on the safer side, I just went with .eds.nif, which I tested extensively. Okay, so this is the mods, and this is the gamepad. So basically, you will give here the your mod list stock game plus your Steam Skyrim folder. Okay, so it will hard link that part. It won't be like what hard linking everything. It will only hard link specific files that I have mentioned, like huge files. It won't be like replacing everything like exe or something DLL. It will only be focused on data folder, the big files. That's easy contents, the texture packs. Only those will be hot linked. So basically, after clicking all that, you just click this deduplicate. It will again do that hot linking path. Hot linking. It will show the estimated size whether you want to continue or not. And again, here you have unhot link. Basically, it will like undo all the changes. Okay, so that's it. And make sure to read this how it works. So that's it, guys. Hope this will be useful for most of you. If not, I don't know what to say. But this tool was really helpful to me. I used to have like 3 or 4 mod list. Okay, based on different scenario, I had like a fantasy mod list. I had like a vanilla plus mod list like NGO Elder Game, and one was like Lorem, which was like hardcore. So I had like 3 or 4 mod list, and I didn't have storage space. And after using this single mod list hoarder mode, I was able to clear like 200 or more than that. Okay, but again, it's based on your requirements. Like if you keep on modding it, like if you change the load order, like if you keep changing this kind of load order, then I wouldn't suggest it. But even so, you can use it, but you need to like do the exclusion, or you can use the notes. And if you plan to say modify this, like you are changing the load order, you just reinstall the mod. So that's it, guys. I think this video is going too long. I'll stop now. Guys, hello guys. So I forgot one important step. Like I forgot to like verify it. We optimized it. We reverted it. Now let's check if it matches our original mod list. Okay. So let me just click install. By the way, you need to specify the path exactly correctly. 271 files. Wait, let me check. Okay, so I guess it's basically that MO2 file changes we did. Let me just close it. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, none of the files got, let me just open it, 1 minute. So this is the Wabajak log file. So where, okay. Oh, this is the step. So here it's extracting only like yeah, two mods. So this is basically like that INV file config. So basically this application didn't corrupt anything. It's just INI, which Wabajak seemed to replace on each verification. So basically, so here is this. Only these two files were rewritten. Okay. So basically, our tool worked perfectly. It didn't like miss any of the files. Only these two INI files are modified. So that's it, guys. I hope this guide was helpful to you, and it would be easy for you to implement. Like you can test this out. Okay. Okay. Thank you.